Do you know how important vitamin D is for your body? It's not just a random item on the nutrition facts label. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a pivotal role in our overall health. It's crucial in maintaining strong bones and teeth by aiding the absorption of calcium in our bodies. But that's not all, folks. Vitamin D also flexes its muscles in the immune system, helping it to function efficiently. Imagine a well-oiled machine. That's your body running smoothly with adequate vitamin D. Now picture the same machine starting to rust and slow down. That's what might happen when there's a vitamin D deficiency. It can lead to weaker bones and teeth, and may even impact your immune system's ability to fight off invaders. Now you might wonder, how does our body get this essential vitamin D? Tune in to the next section as we unravel this fascinating process. Interestingly, our body has a unique way of producing vitamin D. This process begins when our skin is exposed to sunlight, more specifically, the ultraviolet B rays from the sun. These rays trigger the production of vitamin D from cholesterol present in our skin cells. Now, you might be thinking, cholesterol, isn't that bad for us? Well, not in this case. Our bodies need a certain amount of cholesterol for various functions, and one of them is to aid in the production of vitamin D. So imagine you're out on a sunny day soaking in the warmth. As you enjoy the sun's rays, your body is busy at work, synthesizing vitamin D from the cholesterol in your skin cells. This is nature's own vitamin factory at work. However, sunlight alone may not be enough, especially in areas with less sunlight. That's why it's crucial to also get vitamin D from other sources, which we'll delve into in the next scene. Diet plays a crucial role in maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D. Now let's dive into the dietary sources of this sunshine vitamin. A treasure trove of vitamin D can be found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna. These are not only delicious but are also packed with this essential nutrient. Cheese, particularly Swiss and cheddar, is another tasty source of vitamin D. And let's not forget about egg yolks, a breakfast staple that's also rich in this vitamin. But what if you're not a fan of fish or cheese, or if you're a vegan? No worries. There are plenty of fortified foods that can help fill your vitamin D quota. Many brands of milk, orange juice, and cereals have this vitamin added to them. So, your morning bowl of cereal or glass of juice could be a simple way to boost your vitamin D intake. From sushi to omelets to a comforting bowl of mac and cheese, there are countless delectable dishes that can help maintain your vitamin D levels. But what if you still don't get enough vitamin D? Vitamin D deficiency is a serious concern, and it's more common than you might think. Now, let's delve into the possible health risks associated with this deficiency. In children, a lack of vitamin D can lead to rickets, a condition characterized by soft, weak bones that may bend and deform. This is primarily due to the crucial role that vitamin D plays in aiding the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, the building blocks of our bones. Moving on to adults, a deficiency in this sunshine vitamin can lead to osteoporosis, a condition where bones become fragile and brittle, increasing the risk of fractures. But the risks don't stop there. Several studies have hinted at potential links between low vitamin D levels and chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. While more research is needed to establish these connections, it's clear that maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is essential for overall health. But can there be too much of a good thing? Let's find out in the next segment. Indeed, an excess of vitamin D can also be harmful to your health. While getting enough of this sunshine vitamin is important for bone health and overall well-being, it's also crucial to remember that too much of a good thing can be bad. Overdoing it on vitamin D can lead to a condition known as hypervitaminosis D. This is a rare but serious condition that can cause a range of unpleasant symptoms, including nausea, vomiting, weakness, and frequent urination. It's important to note that this typically doesn't happen from your diet or sun exposure. Instead, hypervitaminosis D usually occurs from taking supplements in high doses over a long period of time. So while supplements can be a useful tool in maintaining your vitamin D levels, it's essential to use them responsibly. Don't forget, the best way to get your vitamin D is through a balanced diet and getting a little bit of sun every day. So remember to balance your diet, get some sun, and stay healthy.